I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your plan on Virgin Online can be a bit tricky, but with these steps, you'll be able to navigate it easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Virgin Online website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your account information handy to avoid any delays. Step 2. Navigate to plan options. Once logged in, look for the My Account section. From there, find the plan options or change plan link. This is where you can view your current plan and available upgrades. Step 3. Review available plans. Browse through the different plans offered. Take note of the features and pricing to find one that suits your needs. Sometimes, there are promotional plans that might save you money. Step 4. Select your new plan. After deciding on a new plan, click on it to select. You may need to confirm your choice and review any terms and conditions before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm changes. Finally, confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you don't see it, check your spam folder just in case. I hope these steps help you make the switch smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.